This is going to be a video product review of the HYLOGY blood pressure monitor. The monitor is a very small unit with a very large display. It comes with the AAA batteries. It also comes with an armband that is wide and extended for large and adult arms, but if you need a medium band, they will send that out to you. It has a memory for 180 readings. So this is set up for 2 different people, and it will memorize the last 90 readings for each person. So I'm going to put the batteries in right now. I said that it runs on AAA batteries. It runs on 4 batteries. This is the band for your arm. You will insert it on the left side, press it in, and now we are going to turn it on. On the armband, it shows you the way you want to position this. Towards your bicep, above the elbow, with the center tube right by the main artery. I will show you how you do that. I'm sure you've seen that at the doctor's office many times. As I said, it comes with an adult cuff, but if you need to get a medium one, they will send that out to you. I have this positioned on my arm right now. I'm probably going to have a high reading running around doing the videos over here. Yeah, I was at the doctor today and I had a really high reading, so that's not surprising because of the sinus medicine I'm on now. So when I was at the doctor today, the reading was about 145/94, so this shows how accurate it is. Let's try one more reading. So you can see over there that we have the setting for number 1, and we have a memory over here. It will memorize. I have nothing in there now, but we have a memory. So let's do this one more time. We turned it off. Turn it on again. Try to stay calm and keep my eyes closed. And check that out, 117/94. Yes, this is accurate. It's the whole difference with the way I breathe and the way I closed my eyes and I calmed my mind. I was able to get into a relaxed state. So not only is this very good for checking your blood pressure, this is extremely good for training yourself how to stay calm, how to relax your body. You just saw 2 minutes ago, it was 154/94. 94 is still pretty high, I will admit that, but now I'm at 117/94, so I definitely need to work on the 94 part of it. That 81, that's the pulse, I believe, and it's made by HYLOGY. The price is incredible. We have a little gauge over here. It will let you know where you are as far as health-wise, heart health-wise, if you are too high up there or too low. So I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description of this video. You definitely want to buy this. Let me take the strap off so you can see what it looks like again. This is made for an adult, as I said, and it is, let's zoom out, it is a wide band and extremely large, so if you are a little overweight, this is definitely the product that you want to buy. It will be very easy to wrap this around your arm. And it takes no time to set up. You press the button, you put in your batteries, you press the button, and everything's running. Make sure you buy this for your health. It's the most important gift you can get for a family or a friend any time of the year. On the side of the unit is the USB-C port so that you can plug this in to a USB power plug and run the unit that way.